Hey, what's up everybody, hope everyone is doing good and welcome back to another video. And in this video we are going to change our Fiverr in a night mood or dark mood. So what you all need to do is just turn on your laptop and open up your favorite browser. And as you can see on your screen, the Fiverr is completely changed and the dark mode is activated. And how we can do that, because we don't get that night mode or a dark mode option yet in the Fiverr, but we have a solution for that. So I found a very interesting extension for the Google Chrome or the Brave browser, or maybe if you are using Edge, obviously you are going to use the same dark reader extension. Make sure that the one you download is coming with this icon, this funny icon, ghost wearing glasses. Install this extension, just go back to the Fiverr and you will see that every website you will visit on the internet will be available in the dark mode, even if it is not coming with the dark mode functionality. And I have a solution for that. Obviously that sometimes we do not want to visit the website with a dark mode, we want to use the light mode. So what we can do, if you want to keep it specific that if you want to use this use this extension with only Fiverr.com, so what you can do is that just click on the extension icon and then click on the site list, then just click on invert listed only and type here Fiverr.com. Then just hit enter and only Fiverr.com will be available in the dark mode. So any other website you visit will be there with its original theme or its original style. So I hope this video was helpful for you and you guys enjoyed it and learned something new. Make sure to give this video a like and also subscribe if you want to, and if you don't want to, it's your own choice. I would say just change your taste. Okay, see you in the next video. Till then, Modern Creator signing off.